Hello dear, we think you are all royal. First we have to make an eye. This way you will make the eye. Just softly handle the clay. Then you give a little black circle into the white circle. Now it looks the eye. It is a round, big round circle are using as a body. Now equally good shape you attach the eye. Now we are making the leg. This way you can make the leg. You just attach it down the two leg, attach down, and same small portion attach above, and this small portion looks like the hands. Now we need to add mouth. The mouth should be at middle part. Now we add to nose. The two nose is black color. So this way easily you can make a little frog. So dear friend, you can make little frog this